Every week we meet people who are standing at the crossroads wondering, can I really afford to retire? That's the question every person asks at some point. Most people focus on the numbers. Do I have enough investments, enough income, or enough saved?
And yes, money matters, but after 16 years of helping families plan for the stage, I've learned that financial readiness and life readiness are two very different things. That's why in today's session, Hugo and I want to share 5 milestones you should reach before you retire, so that you don't just retire comfortably, but confidently. Welcome back to the Family Wealth Retirement Masterclass. I'm Hardy Swart, Certified Financial Planner at Family Wealth Custodians. For the past decade and a half, I've helped South Africans retire with clarity and confidence.
And I'm Hugo Kloppers, Senior Financial Planner at Family Wealth Custodians. Together we'll bring you practical insights, real-life examples and expert strategies to help you retire smarter.
Before we get started, a quick note. Everything we share here is for educational purposes only. It doesn't constitute personal financial advice. Every situation is unique, so please consult with a qualified advisor before making any big financial decisions.
And if you find value in this masterclass, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let's start with something we almost never discuss in boardrooms or investment meetings: relationships. A few months ago, one of my clients, a retired engineer named Peter, told me, I thought I'd miss the money, but what I actually miss are the people. He had a solid financial plan, but he hadn't realized how much of his social life revolved around work. Colleagues, meetings, coffee chats, and the Friday jokes. When that stopped, the day started feeling very long. Research confirms what Peter experienced. Major life changes like retirement are among the leading triggers of social isolation and loneliness. Studies published in Nature and by the Australian Institute of Family Studies show that retirees often experience a short-term drop in social connections, and those who don't rebuild community ties are at higher risk of loneliness or health decline. The World Health Organization also notes that ongoing social isolation increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, cognitive decline, and even premature death.
That's why the first milestone is so important. Strengthen your relationships before you retire. Start now. Reconnect with people you've lost touch with. Join community groups, spend time with family, or take up a sport or hobby that connects you with others. When work fades out of our calendar, relationships should fill that void. When your career ends, something strange happens. Suddenly you have more free time in a single day than you used to have an entire week. And while that sounds like a dream for many new retirees, it can become overwhelming. That's why you need a life plan, not just a financial one.
We often help clients think in 5-year seasons. From 60 to 65, that might be your go-go years or adventure years, travel, road trips, golf, and bucket list experiences. From 65 to 70, perhaps more about home projects or mentoring. And your 70s and 80s might focus on family, health, and legacy.
One of our clients, let's call her Tenda, used to call her calendar the heart of her plan. She and her husband didn't just plan for money, they planned for memories. Every 5 years, they'd pick one big experience to share with their grandchildren. That intention gave their retirement rhythm, meaning, and joy. So don't just drift through retirement, design it with purpose.
This one often surprises people. The biggest adjustment isn't financial, it's identity. When your title, your business cards, the daily deadlines disappear, who are you? We see this especially with successful people who've spent decades leading teams or running companies. Once the meetings and decisions stop, it can feel like losing your sense of purpose.
That's why we tell clients, start exploring who you are outside of work while you are still working. Use your leave days, for example, to experiment. Volunteer, learn a skill, join a hiking club, or mentor a young professional. Find what gives you energy when the business phone is off. Retirement isn't just about stopping, it's about shifting to a new kind of purpose.
Now, your health is the foundation for everything else. We worked with a client Johan, who always said he'd travel once things calmed down at work. When he finally retired at age 68, his health made long travel impossible. He told me later, "I saved enough money for the journey, but I ran out of time to go."
The story stuck with me, Joop, because I've seen it with so many people. They invest heavily in their portfolios, but neglect their well-being. And it's time to reverse that. Because if you build movement, rest, and healthy eating into your plan, this could have drastic impacts on your long-term success. Think of health as your return on lifestyle. The better you take care of yourself now, the longer and fuller your retirement dividend will be. This is where most people stop, when they've saved enough. But what really matters is how that money supports your life after you stop working. Your retirement plan needs to include the following: a sustainable income strategy, knowing how much you can safely draw each year without running out of money. Tax efficiency, using tools like retirement annuities, endowments, discretionary funds, Section 10C, all of these instruments wisely, and by finding alignment between your investments and your lifestyle goals.
In South Africa, that can often mean combining living annuities, discretionary investments, and sometimes offshore structures so that your cash flow is consistent and tax smart. And don't forget your estate plan. It should integrate seamlessly with your investments and income strategies so that everything works together, not in isolation.
This isn't the time for spreadsheets and guesswork or braai-side chats. It's a time for a personalized plan, one that gives you clarity, confidence, and peace of mind, no matter what the markets or what curveballs life might throw your way. That's exactly why we created the Family Wealth Retirement Master Plan, a comprehensive process that helps you bring every part of your retirement together: your investments, your income strategy, your estate plan, and even your long-term and short-term tax outlook. It's designed to show you in clear numbers whether your plan is sustainable and how to adjust it to achieve the life that you actually want. Because retirement isn't just about leaving work, it's about living well with purpose and confidence for decades to come.
So let's recap the 5 milestones to hit before you retire. Rebuild your social foundation, create a life plan, redefine who you are beyond work, prioritize your health, and lastly, build your own retirement master plan.
If you can tick off these 5 goals, you'll not only retire with enough, you'll retire with purpose, connection, and peace of mind. If you'd like to see what your own Family Wealth Retirement Master Plan could look like, there's a link in the description below to book a complimentary exploration call with one of our professional team members. Because at the end of the day, retirement isn't about leaving something behind. It's about building the next great season of your life. And that's what we want for you, a retirement that you deserve. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Hardy Swart.
I'm Michael Kloppers.
This is the Retirement Masterclass. Keep investing into your future.